Today, I want to talk to you about something that I've learned from a real estate agent in my local area. How we treat people can determine our level of success in life and business. Great things happen when you help or serve others without expecting anything in return. It's a simple and yet profound concept that has the potential to transform not only the lives of those you help, but your own life as well. When you extend a helping hand without expecting anything back, you become a catalyst for positive change. Your actions create a ripple effect of kindness and compassion in a world that sorely needs it. Let me talk to you about good karma. There is a realtor in my area who goes above and beyond helping people without expecting anything back. My family members have benefited from this lady's generosity. Earlier this year, my wife and I decided to surprise this realtor by hiring her to help us on a couple of real estate transactions. She wasn't expecting it, but was thankful for the opportunity. The commission checks she received for representing us didn't disappoint either. While receiving is not the primary motivation for serving others, it's worth noting that good deeds tend to come back to us in unexpected ways. Depending on what you believe, God or the universe has a way of rewarding those who give freely without expectation. We hired this realtor primarily because of how she helps others. Here are 5 additional benefits of selfless service. Benefit number 1 is legacy. There are people who died thousands or hundreds of years ago, but we still talk about their impact today. In most cases, your legacy isn't measured by the size of your bank account, but by the positive change you brought to the world. Acts of selflessness are the building blocks of a lasting and meaningful legacy. Benefit number 2 is fulfillment. There's a great sense of fulfillment that comes from knowing that you have made a positive impact on someone's life. It's a joy that far surpasses any material gain. As the good book says, it's more blessed to give than to receive. The third benefit is well-being. Studies have shown that helping others can lead to reduced stress, increased happiness, and improved mental health. Helping others has a positive impact on your own emotional and mental well-being. Benefit number 4 is build connections or relationships. Acts of kindness are bridges to forming deep and meaningful connections with others. Kindness creates a sense of community and unity, reminding us that we are all in this journey of life together. Benefit number 5 is personal growth. Helping others challenges you to step out of your comfort zone. It encourages you to develop new skills, enhance empathy, and broaden your perspective. In a world often driven by personal interest, choosing to help others without expecting anything in return is a powerful act of rebellion. It's a rebellion against cynicism and a reminder that kindness is a force to be reckoned with. So as we go about our lives, let's remember the incredible impact we can have when we choose to extend a helping hand. Whether it's a small gesture or a grand philanthropic effort, every act of selfless service is a step towards making the world a better place. And in doing so, we enrich our own lives beyond measure. Let's continue to ignite the light of kindness and service to others wherever we go. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.